Epson Device Admin. Streamline configuration. Update device firmware. Manage alerts. Monitor printers, and more. With Epson Device Admin, you have access to a free solution that makes fleet management simple for your ColorWorks printers. Remotely configure or change device settings for Epson networked printers and multifunction devices at any location. Easily configure printer settings such as page size, print mode, and media type. Even upload images and templates. Then, simply deploy those settings across your fleet or a specific group of printers, no matter the location. Epson Device Admin also features a group management tool to help organize printers by geographic location, organization name, device types, and models to accommodate multiple printing label needs. Now, what happens when it's time to update device firmware over hundreds of printers in different time zones? Simply program the timer to check and update firmware, network, and printer status during off hours without interruption. At the scheduled date and time, the firmware will update across all or a group of network devices, ensuring that your fleet of printers are regularly updated with the latest firmware. Epson Device Admin allows you to create alerts and reports, track the overall usage of printers, and create email alerts concerning the status of devices and consumable levels. The system can automatically send an alert via email to any recipient or group based on defined conditions, alerting them to take action. Generate custom reports on device usage and consumable data. Reports can be scheduled and automatically sent to key administrators. Regularly monitor your fleet of printers by checking the status for all devices available on the network. If a printer is down or an error occurs, you can remotely identify, troubleshoot, and solve the issue for the specific device. Simple remote multi-printer management made even easier. Epson Device Admin, a powerful solution designed to simplify the installation, configuration, and management of networked Epson printers for enterprises of any size. Epson, exceed your vision.